In this video, we're going to talk about a couple really annoying things that sellers hate seeing from buyers in their offers and how you can avoid it. Stick around. Let's go! I was on Shane Melanson's podcast called The Investing Advantage, and we got into a little discussion about contract terms that buyers put in sometimes that unintentionally can backfire on them. Take a listen. I think sellers don't like seeing business days. I think it's kind of a used car salesman way of getting extra time.
It just pisses people off.
It does. It doesn't make any sense. I see this, again, probably 20% of the time. It's like buyers think the sellers are going to not catch that.
Yeah.
Not only are they going to catch it, you're going to get dinged hard for it, especially when you go 30 calendar days and 30 business days. What that does to the human mind is now the seller's thinking, I'm going to read every single word of your PSA. I trust nothing you're doing. I'm going to be all over your ass.
It's so true, Beau. I mean, I remember back when I was getting into the syndication and one of my partners, he put in a clause and he told me why he was doing it. And it had to do with due diligence doesn't start until all materials are received. And initially it was like, oh, that's smart. But then essentially you could weasel out of your due diligence by saying, you know what, they didn't upload a rent roll or they forgot to upload an expense or something to that.
Sellers know that now. And what it's saying is seller, I don't trust you.
Yeah, you're starting off on the wrong foot.
Listen, the seller wants to sell this, or they wouldn't have hired a broker and pay him hundreds of thousands of dollars to do so if they weren't serious about selling. And most sellers are pretty organized, especially the larger the asset. Remember, you want the seller to choose you. You want to be the winning bidder. You don't want the seller to feel like you're trying to pull one over on them. I hope this video brought some value, and if it did, please hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you get the notification bell so you know when each of my videos come out each week. See you guys on the next one.